You're not wired for success. You're wired for survival. And until you rewire both your brain and your energy field, you're going to keep repeating the same cycle: overthinking, burnout, and doubt, all before you even finish your morning coffee. Let's fix that. I'm Dr. Amirah Hall, and for over 25 years, I've helped high achievers and professionals break through their limits, not with more mindset hacks, but by mastering their energy behind their thoughts. Because the truth is, resilience isn't built from more grit. It's built from alignment. And right now, the Surgeon General is calling it. We're in a global mental health crisis. Our brains are tired. Your nervous systems are overloaded. Our energy fields are clogged with unprocessed stress and grief and fear. Neuroscience shows that the prefrontal cortex, that part of your brain that's responsible for decision-making, shuts down when your system senses threat. Even imagined threat. And that means every unresolved emotion becomes a glitch in your operating system. You don't need more motivation. You need a full system reboot. And if you don't build resilience the right way, you're going to keep relying on willpower, which always runs out. You'll end up saying yes when your gut is screaming no. You'll mistake pressure for purpose. And you'll keep attracting more of what your nervous system is used to, not what you actually want. This isn't about mental toughness. It's about energetic congruence. Resilience isn't bouncing back. It's rising with a new frequency. You regulate your nervous system in real time. You respond instead of reacting. You hold your power in difficult conversations and actually feel clear doing. This is what I teach my private clients and inside the Success Frequency Method. Let me give you two real stories of how this works. Justin is a business owner whose company was about to collapse. He didn't need a better sales strategy. He needed to clear the field of fear that was distorting every decision. Within 8 weeks of aligning his frequency, he got $9 million in new business. Not by doing more, but becoming energetic coherent. Let's hear from Justin himself.
With the business, I was pretty nervous. I was about to lose everything. And then all of a sudden, just millions in contracts have been coming in. It's hard to put into words, really. It's almost like a confidence or a knowing that I don't think I've ever had. I've always been confident and I always believed in stuff, but now it's like deep. I don't know how to explain it, but it's completely different.
And then there was Lori, who was deeply burned out, frustrated. She was applying for dozens of roles with zero traction. She thought the problem was her resume or her experience. But really, it was about her energetic weight of self-doubt and disappointment that she was carrying. After we cleared her energy field, activated her success frequency, she landed a new job in just 2 weeks. She just didn't feel relieved. She felt ready. So let's hear from Lori.
I was in such a transition period. After the first session, I felt so relieved, like just a weight taken off of me. I ended up getting 3 job offers and hearing back from one that I hadn't heard from in months, and took the one that gave me relocation back to Texas, which was awesome. And then recently I put my house up for sale and an offer came in 2 days later for $15,000 more than what we listed it for. It has just been incredible. Life is taking a different turn. It's just been an incredible journey.
So you don't want to build a strong mind that doesn't break under pressure. You need to strengthen all 3. 1, your brain, through rest, through nutrition and movement. Your mind, through awareness, intention, and boundaries. Your energy field, through clearing subconscious patterns and stored emotional residue. Most people only work on one of these. The high performers that I work with work on all 3, aligned, daily, intentionally. You don't need to get tougher. You need to get tuned in. When your energy field is coherent, your brain follows, your decisions improve, your boundaries get sharper, and your life finally starts to feel like it fits, like you belong, like you're on purpose. And that's why I created the Success Frequency Starter Guide. It's free, and it's inside. I'll walk you through how to recalibrate your energy field in just 5 minutes a day. This is how real resilience starts. So now, what's one thing you thought made you struggle but actually kept you stuck? Go ahead and drop that in the comments because I read every single one. And if you're ready to stop reacting and start resonating, click the link in the description, download the guide, And let's rebuild the mind from the frequency up. Because resilience isn't about surviving the storm. It's about becoming the calm to handle it.